You wanna know what makes the most magnificently moist, mouth-watering brownies on earth? It's Mayo. I'm gonna add a ton of sugar right into the mixture. One little trick is I like to crack the eggs into a little bowl before I crack it into my mixing bowl. That way, if you have a bad egg, you don't ruin all the sugar. I'm gonna whip the living crap out of this for about 2 minutes. This is gonna give it lift and kind of help emulsify. Next up, I'm gonna go with about 1/3 cup of mayo, just a little cap full of really good vanilla, and I've got some melted chocolate. You can melt this over a double boiler or toss it into the microwave. Oh yeah. I've got some flour. I'm gonna go with about 1/2 cup. I do have a little salt, baking powder, and then some cocoa powder. If you think about mayo, it's already emulsified. It's got the eggs, it's got the oil, so it's perfect for baked good. Things like brownies and cakes, it's genius. It makes it that much more delicate and moist. All right, so I've got a little parchment paper here. One little trick is you can kind of crumple up the parchment. I know that seems weird, but then uncrumple the parchment, and it's that much easier to kind of control. All right, so one thing I like to do is just give this a little tap. That gets out all the air bubbles, and then I'm gonna throw this in the oven about 350 degrees, about 35 minutes or so. Gotta work quick here, confident, pick the whole thing up. Oh yeah, and then just kind of push down the sides. Look at that, it's just falling apart. That's the way a brownie should be. I've got a little bit more melted chocolate, and I'm just gonna kind of scatter this anywhere and everywhere. A little bit of sea salt over the top. Mayo makes the best brownies on earth.